But students, I'm going to explain you that a fraction in its lowest term can be expressed in decimal fraction, decimal number, and as well as in recurring decimal. In both we can. Then what are the situations, what are the conditions that a fraction in lowest term can be explained in terminating decimal and recurring decimal? So a fraction, suppose m by n is there and it is in lowest term. What does this mean? Lowest term means m and n don't have any common factor except 1. Then only it is called in lowest terms. So in that case, if the denominator is 2 or 5 or both, then it will be in a terminating decimal. It can be expressed in a terminating decimals. 2 or 5 or both, then it does not mean that only 2. It can be 4 because 4 can be written as 2 square. 5, it cannot means only 5, it can be 25. 25 can be written as 5 square. That means 2 square, 5 square, or only 2 will be there. Then only it can be expressed in a terminating decimal. Now, if that m by n, which is in its lowest terms, so that fraction will be a recurring decimal only when the denominator, that is n, has any other factor than 2 and 5. That means it can be 2 and 3, it can be 2, 5 and 3, or only it can be 7. Yeah, 2 and 5 is not there. That means other than 2 and 5, if any third number is there, third number, I mean any prime number, it can be 3, it can be 7, it can be 11, it can be 17, it can be 19, then that fraction will be expressed in recurring decimal. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.